Good morning students. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to see the continuity of exercise 3.16. First of all, I recall solving a quadratic equation through intersection of lines. That is, for example, if a straight line intersects the parabola at 2 points, two distinct points, the system of the equation has two solutions. Okay, that is, for example, minus 1, maybe 4, minus 1 comma 4. Then if a straight line touches the parabola at only 1 point, the equation has one solution. Okay, then next one, if a straight line does not intersect the parabola or touch the parabola, the equation has no solution. That is this type. Okay, right. Next one, exercise 3.16, sound the sum. Draw the graph of y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5, and you can solve 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. First one, draw the graph of y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 6. So minus 3 to plus 3. Every product formula, right? The product of the two factors are minus 12. That is 2 into minus 6 minus 12. Sum is minus 4. 4 3s are, sorry, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 minus 6 plus into minus minus 2 6 are 12. Minus 6 plus 2 we get minus 4 divided by 2x divided by 2x, because coefficient of x squared is 2. So 2 cancel. 1 2 is to 3 2s are 6. Therefore x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 3. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Then plus 1 right hand, shift to right hand side, minus 1. Minus 3 shift to right hand side, plus 3. So minus 1 to 3. Okay, wow. Right. So now minus 3 to plus 3 enough down. Okay. Then 2x squared. Then 2 into minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Also 2 into minus 2 the whole square. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Minus 2 the whole square 4. So 2 into 4 8. Also 2 0 2 then 8 18. Leave the side of the zero right side. On the side of 0 compound. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. That is minus 3 into minus 3. That is equal to plus 9. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. Also minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Then 3. Then 3 minus 3 into 0 0. Minus into plus minus 3 1s are 3. Minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 3s are 9. Then 5 is the minus 5 is the constant term. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. Okay. 18 minus 5 13. 13 plus 9 22. Then 8 plus 6 14. 14 minus 5 9. Okay. Then 2 plus 3 5. 5 minus 5 0. Then minus 5 minus 8 plus 2 we get minus 6. Then minus 11 plus 8 we get minus 3. Minus 6 minus 5 we get minus 11 plus 8 minus 3. 18 minus 9 9. 9 minus 5 4. This 18 minus 9 9. 9 minus 5 4. Then plotting points are minus 3 comma 22, minus 2 comma 9, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 5, 1 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 4. We can solve. So y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. Then 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 4x minus 6. As usual, subtract 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0 from y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. So minus plus plus. Then 2x squared minus 2x squared cancel. Then y is equal to plus 4 minus 3 we get plus 1x plus 4 minus 5 plus 1. That is y is equal to x plus 1. X then x 1 and y is equal to x plus 1 or that x plus 1 confuse ஆயிட்டீங்க 1 then y is equal to x plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 0 plus 1 3 minus 3 minus 1 0 1 3 that is x. Then constant term 1 1 1 1 1 minus 3 plus 1 we get minus 2, then 0 plus 1 1 plus 1 2 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, here x-axis minus 3 to plus 3. So taking x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit scale, that is x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to here plus 22 minus 6. So y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 and 5. Also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, then 0, then 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24, then minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 minus 10 minus 12. First point minus 3 comma 22 minus 3 comma 22 here. So minus 3 comma 22, then minus 2 comma 9 minus 2 comma 9, that is minus 2 comma 9. Next one minus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0, then 0 comma minus 5 0 comma minus 5 0 comma minus 5. Next one 1 comma minus 6 1 comma minus 6, that is 1 comma minus 6, then 2 comma minus 3 2 comma minus 3. Next 3 comma plus 4 3 comma plus 4. Join all these points. Join all these points, we get a parabola. That is y is equal to x square minus 2x square minus 3x minus 5. Then straight line, that is a linear graph, y is equal to x plus 1, then minus 3 comma minus 2 minus 3 comma minus 2 minus 3 comma minus 2. Next one minus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0, that is here minus 1 comma 0. Next 0 comma 1 0 comma 1 0 comma 1. Next one 1 comma 2 1 comma 2. Next one 3 comma 4 3 comma 4 there. So join all these points, that is y is equal to x plus 1 y is equal to x plus 1. Here the straight line intersect the parabola at 2 points, that is minus 1 and 3 minus 1 and 3, and the solution set is minus 1 comma 3 minus 1 comma 3 minus 1 comma 3. That's all. And the solution set is minus 1 comma 3. That's all. Next one, 8th sum. Draw the graph of y is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3 and in solve x square minus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Given y is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Convert y is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3 into quadratic equation. That is y is equal to x into x square, then x into plus 3 plus 3x minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3 minus into plus minus 1 into 3 3. Then y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. This is a quadratic equation. Then x square 2x minus 3. Then y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Let us take minus 4 to plus 4. Second equation factors பண்ணீங்கன்னா factors வரும், அதிலிருந்து நம்ம 1 or 2 எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ரைட் x square that is -6 -1 then 3 sorry yes 3 2s are 6 that is -3 -3 plus -3 2s are 6 -3 plus 2 we get -1 that is x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0 x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0 therefore x is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to minus 2 then minus 2 to plus 3 minimum value so maximum minus 4 to plus 4 எடுத்துருக்கேன் right okay next one minus 4 the whole square we get plus 16 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 then 9 4 1 0 1 4 9 16 then plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8 also plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6 minus 4 minus 2 0 plus into plus plus 2 into 1 2 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6 2 4s are 8 here minus 3 is the constant term so minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 then minus 8 sorry 16 minus 8 8 8 minus 3 5 16 minus 8 8 8 minus 3 5 9 minus 6 3 3 minus 3 0 plus 4 minus 4 cancel that is here minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 we get minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 okay then minus 3 1 plus 2 3 3 minus 3 0 4 plus 4 8 8 minus 3 5 9 plus 5 sorry 9 plus 6 15 15 minus 3 12 then 16 plus or 8 minus 3 5 5 plus 16 21 here plotting points are minus 4 comma 5 minus 3 comma 0 minus 2 comma minus 3 minus 1 comma minus 4 0 comma minus 3 1 comma 0 2 comma 5 3 comma 12 and 4 comma 21 subtract here x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0 subtract x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0 from y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3 as usual minus minus plus plus so plus x square minus x square cancel y is equal to 3x plus 2x plus 1x we get plus 3x plus 6 minus 3 minus sorry plus 3 3x plus 3 y is equal to 3x plus 3 is the linear graph we know the graph of a linear equation is straight line okay then x 3x 3 then y is equal to 3x plus 3 minus 3 minus 1 0 1 3 then 3 into minus 3 minus 9 3 into minus 1 minus 3 3 into 0 0 3 into 1 3 3 3 is a 9 3 into sorry 3 is a constant term then 3 3 3 minus 9 plus 3 we get minus 6 0 minus 3 plus 3 cancel 0 then 3 6 12 okay okay minus 3 comma minus 6 minus 1 comma 0 0 comma 3 1 comma 6 3 comma 12 here x axis minus 4 to plus 4 so x scale x axis 1 centimeter is equal to x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units இது காமனா எல்லா சமத்துல நம்ம எடுத்து வரோம் கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கு 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. First point, minus 4, comma 5. Minus 4, comma 5. Minus 4, comma 5. Second one, minus 3, comma 0. Minus 3, comma 0. Next one, minus 2, comma minus 3. Minus 2, comma minus 3. Minus 2, comma minus 3. Next one, minus 1, comma minus 4. Minus 1, comma minus 4. Minus 1, comma minus 4. Okay, next one, 0, comma minus 3. 0, comma minus 3. 0, comma minus 3. Then 1, comma 0. 1, comma 0. Next one, 2, comma 5. 2, comma 5. Next one, 3, comma 12. 3, comma 12. Here, 3, comma 12. Next one, 4, comma 21. 4, comma 21. 4, comma 21. Join all these points. Then join all these points. This is a graph of y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Right. Then y is equal to 3x plus 3 is a linear graph. That is a straight line. Minus 3 comma minus 6. Starting the points minus 3 comma minus 6. Minus 3 comma minus 6. Minus 3 comma minus 6. Next one, minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0. Next one, minus 1 comma 0. 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Next one, 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6. Next one, 3 comma 12. 3 comma 12. Here, 3 comma 12. Join all these points. Join all these points. Correct ah ஒரு graph straight line வரும்போ இணைட்ட intersect ஆகும். The straight line intersect the parabola at 2 points. That is minus 2, comma 3. Hence the solution set is minus 2, comma 3. Minus 2, comma 3. Okay. It is the solution set. Hence the solution set is minus 2, comma 3. That's all. Example 3.49. Draw the graph of y is equal to 2x squared and then solve 2x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Let us take minus 2 to plus 2. Then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Y is equal to 2x squared. Y is equal to 2x squared இதான் graph draw பண்ணனும். இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு draw பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Okay. Then 2 to 4. Then 2 into minus 2 the whole square is equal to 2 into minus 4 is equal to 2 into plus 4. Now minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 into minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then 0. B opposite of 2 8. Opposite na the side and irukko adu B vanum. Okay. This is shortcut. Plot the points. Minus plotting points are minus 2 comma 8, minus 1 comma 2, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 8. Then y is equal to 2x square. Then 0 is equal to 2x square minus x minus 6. Subtract 2x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0 from y is equal to 2x square. Then minus minus plus plus. So 2x square minus 2x square cancel. Then y is equal to plus x plus 6. That is the linear equation. என்னோட graph எப்படி இருக்கும்னா straight line. Okay. Then x 6. Then y is equal to x plus 6 minus 3 minus 1 0 1 3. Okay. minus 1, 0, 1, 3. Constant term 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Plus 6 minus 3, answer plus 3. 6 minus 1, 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. Starting points are minus 3, 3, minus 1, 5, 0, 6, 1, 7, 3, 9. So, two tables form பண்ணியாச்சு. Next graph draw பண்ணனும். So இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா simple minus 2 to plus 2x ல y ல 8 தான் இருக்கு highest value. So scale x axis 1 cm is equal to scale x axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit, and also y axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. First point, minus 2, 8. Minus 2, 8. Next one, minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Next one, 0, 0. 0, 0. Next one, 1, 2. 1, 2. Next one, 2, 8. 2, 8. Then join all these points. Join all these points. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then this is y is equal to 2x square graph. Okay, then next one, minus 3, plus 3. Minus 3, plus 3. Minus 3. Then plus 3. Minus 3, plus 3. And minus 1, minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 5. Next one, 0, 6. 0, 6. Next one, 1, 7. 1, 7. Next one, 3, 9. 3, 9. So here is the point 3, 9. Join all these points. உங்களோட நோட்ல பர்ஃபெக்ட்டா ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் வரும். சோ இங்க கொஞ்சம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. y is equal to x plus 6. சோ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த கிராஃப் ஏன் நடத்துறோம்னா இதுல 1.5 minus 1.5 intersect ஆகும். ஓகேவா? சொல்யூஷன் செட் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? minus 1.5. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 plus 2 minus 1.5, 2. Okay, minus 1.5, 2. That is the solution set. The straight line intersect the parabola at 2 points. Then solution set is minus 1.5, 2. That's all.